Hello everybody, welcome to the Drunken Sailor Cocktail Channel. It's Christmas time, so we're calling it the Drunken Sailor Christmas Cocktail Channel. And I'm Bill. I'm not a professional bartender, but I'm a guy who has a bar in his house who likes making cocktails, and I like to show you how to make them too. Well, since it's Christmas Cocktail Channel, we've got a twist on a classic that I think you're really going to enjoy, especially if you like gin. Well, today's cocktail is a twist on the gimlet, and it's called the Cranberry Gimlet. So join me and let's get pouring. Well, a gimlet is really a pretty simple cocktail to make, and there's only a few ingredients in it. There's gin, there's citrus and lime. We put a little bit of simple syrup in there, and today we're going to add some cranberry juice. We're going to start this cocktail in a shaker. There's bells ringing everywhere around here. An angel got its wings. We're going to start by putting in there some freshly squeezed lime juice. We're using fresh because you know fresh is best. And we're going to use 1/2 of an ounce. I'm going to follow that up with simple syrup, and that's just equal parts of sugar and water. And we're going to use 1/2 of an ounce. And next in line to go in this glass is actually cranberry juice. And we're going to put 2 ounces in there. I cheated and I pre-measured for you. Our final ingredient that's going in this glass is going to be a dry gin. We're using Tanqueray 10 today, and we're going to put 2 ounces in there. And I'm pretty impressed with myself today because I didn't spill that. Now, everything we need is in that shaker except the ice we need. So we're going to ice it up and chill it down. We're going to give this a good 10-15 second shake to get it nice and cold. I think we're there. Now, we're going to strain it into our glass, and I think you're really going to enjoy this coupe. Wow, Christmas miracle, my coupe appeared. And this has been a coupe that we have pre-prepared. So if you can take a look in there, what we've done is put a sprig of rosemary in there. We put some cranberries and a little bit of water. We put that in the freezer, and that's going to help keep our coupe chilled and festive. We've got everything in there. Now we're simply going to pour. We've got that beautiful pink color on it. We're pouring it. And there is our cranberry gimlet. So I guess the next thing to do is give this a taste. And hey, if you stuck around this far and you're a new viewer, please hit that subscribe button, leave us a like, leave us a comment. And if you look into the description, you're going to find the recipe in there. Well, here we go. It's got great floral herbal flavors. You've got that scent of the rosemary that's coming in there as you taste it. That's your first greeting with this cocktail. The nice smooth Tanqueray. You've got that herbal flavor that's going in there. This one, it's not only beautiful, it tastes great. Merry Christmas, everybody.